Okay, now our next topic, that is family codes. We have seen the introduction of the family code. Now, in 1984, the family code has enacted by the Indian Parliament. In which year this family code was enacted? In 1984. Okay, for the procedure for creation and functioning of the family code with expertise to deal with the matrimonial and the family law matters. This code was made to deal with the matrimonial and family law matters. To see the family law matters, this code was created. The act is procedural and does not override the substantive family law. This will be a procedural law, not the substantive law. Okay, I told you the difference between procedural law and the substantive law. Means procedural law where the procedure of that law is given. Substantive means subject matter, like IPC is a substantive law and CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code, is a process of that law. So this is the procedural law, and according to the right and obligation of party to the disputes are based on the family, personal and matrimonial laws. Means this law will only deals with the matrimonials or personal matters of the clients. During the late 1980s or 1990s, many family code was established in the major cities to deal with the matrimonial cases. Family law was shifted from the district civil and criminal law courts to the newly created special courts. Nowadays, family courts are substituted by the special courts. And the family code were created with many distinct features. What are the various features of the family code? We will read. First feature, reduction of informality and intimidation in litigation process. First, the reduction of the cases means lumps of cases was filed in the court. है ना, बहुत सारे cases, different type of cases was filed. So to reduce the burden of that court, family court is created. First feature. First feature was made less formal and intimidating. Means to make the person less formal. Formalities is not there. So first feature is to reduce the burden of the court and make it less formal. Second, speedy justice is possible. Speedily you can solve your cases because there only deals with the family related matters. So speedy justice is possible. Facilitation in conciliation and settlement. It will provide the conciliation and settlements. Means firstly the party will goes to the court and they will provide you the counseling. Counseling means counsel karega and wants that your matter will be settled there only. The personal and family law subject matter that falls within the jurisdiction of family court include what are the various matter we already deals this. What are the various matter deals under the family court, like nullity of marriage. You want to you want to create null in your marriage, खत्म करना चाहते हैं. So that matter will goes in the family court. Reinstitution of conjugal rights, whose right is there in the property, that will be there. Separation, judicial separation, divorce matters, validity of your marriage, that your marriage is valid or not, matrimonial status, disputes regarding properties, joint properties, injunction arising out of marital relations, means what are the reliefs provided under the marital status. Legitimacy means नाजायज़ बच्चा है कि नहीं, maintenance, guardianship, custodies and assessed by to any minors. Means you have to remember that these are the various issues which are taken under the family courts. For this, various courts are made it in the family court which deals with these matters, like relevant statutes provide the family court act, like the matter related to the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, which deals with the marriage law of Hindus, primarily validity of your marriage. Means if your marriage is valid or not, that matter will goes to the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, if this was made it. Special Marriage Act, which give efforts to the special matter of civil contractual marriage and divorce of Indian national regardless of religions or faith, followed by the parties. Means in the above, Hindu person, both the parties are Hindu and they will go and file the case for their validity of marriage. But in this Special Marriage Act means one person is of other caste or other person is from other caste, अलग caste के. So Special Marriage Act was made it that will deals with these matters. 1954 में बना. Next, dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act means if the Muslim person wants to dissolve their marriage, women are married or women wants to resolve their marriage, so they can go to this act. Nextly, Foreign Marriage Act 1969 was made it which deals with the marriage of citizens living outside of India, है ना, outside of India की marriages हैं, तो that matter goes to this act, that this act will deal that matter, है ना. Various acts was made it under which that particular type of case will goes. No, you can file that case. Like Divorce Act, if persons want to take a divorce, so divorce of a person to the Christian religion, है ना, Christian religion का बंदा तो divorce लेना चाहता है, तो they can go through this act. Parsi person will take the divorce under this act. Muslim women's personal laws will be also there, under which Muslim women will file their cases. This act requires that the application of Islamic Hindu law, Muslim law of say to the Muslim in India in the family or personal matters, they will deal the Muslims matters in this. Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, the law codified the legal process of adopting children by Hindu adult and the legal obligation to provide maintenance to various family members and to provide the various members or adoption process will be taken under this act. Adoption topic will go in this act. Christian Marriage Act, if a Christian persons are there, so they will follow this act. Hindu Minorities and Guardianship Act, whose will be the custody of the person, so that will deal under the Guardianship Act. Nextly, Guardians and Ward Act 1890s. So this is non-religious and universal applicable regarding the issues relating to guardianship of child, है ना. If the person's guardianship, non-religious person are there, है ना, they will having different caste, so they will go through the Guardians and Ward Acts. किसके पास baby जाएगा, तो that will follow this act. Chapter 9 of the Criminal Procedure Act deals with the issues of maintenance of wives, children and parents. If person takes the divorce, then they have to give the maintenance to wives, children and parents. This topic deals under the CRPC. Protection of women from domestic violence. Like domestic violence you have done with the female or wife live-in partners against domestic violence, or male live-in partners or relatives, they can file the case for domestic violence in this act. Like law provides the protection to the sister, widows and mothers. This act will not only deals with the wives, but this act will also include sisters को domestic violence कर रहे हैं, आप मारपीट कर रहे हैं अपने sisters को, widows को, mothers को. This act will deals with this. We have seen the various acts which are made in the family law, under which your case will go, so your case will be solved through the speedy justice, है ना. Then the Family Act provides mandatory power to the state government to make any amendment. State government को दिया गया है to make any amendment. Family court in cities, towns with population over 1 million and discretionary power for areas within less than 1 million. Means family court have their own power to give the judgment. Nobody can bound that them, है ना, कोई भी उसको बाउंड नहीं कर सकता. ओवर 1 million person की population है, then family can have their own discretionary power. However, some states have failed to create family court. Why? Because the reason of financial and space constraint in lawyers blocking any such moves. Because of this financial situation or the place, they do not have any place to create a family court. So most of the state will not having family court. But it must be mandatory for all the state to create a family court where this matters can goes. This above matters can be dealt under that act. So due to the financial situation also, they cannot make the family court. So we can have seen that the various act of the family related matters are made by the parliament, which can be enforced if your case will go in that matter, है ना. So same, believe you can read this, only you can read these topics, na.